we had a release during the whole work from home time. So we had to coordinate with all the stakeholders like business and everybody. So during the office hours, which was difficult, we had to dedicate a time for that. But because of the work from home situation, we would check the availability and we would manage it very well.
We in the team, we make it a point to dial up to all the team members and talk unofficially also on what is going on in their life and stuff. So that is also helping to keep the team together, team bonding together.
When we were in office, we used to eat our lunch together. And the immediate step that we took to kind of counter the void that came into our lives because of that, was we started a meeting internally well before Walmart had lunch hours, called something called as Lunch Pe Charcha.
It was just that sometime we needed to get adjusted, but after that things became normal. I would say more than normal, because now we save a lot of time.
The whole concept of all hands is now virtual. Lot more people are now able to join. The constraint of it being in a closed room has gone.
The home office setup was such a great idea, because earlier we are not sure where we should start, where should we sit and do our work, but now we have our own workplace.
It's often said that if the spark in yourself sort of goes away, then someone else's spark can light it, right? And Badgify is a great example of that. It helped us to create appreciation for each other.
Workplace plays a significant role in our day-to-day lives. Like you would have seen, our teams are interconnected over workplace. We get the key business updates, and then every other team updates is being shared over the workplace. So it helped us a lot.
We have a team roster that actually helps us to find out the new joinees, the information that is very critical.
Friday Connects are usually fun. That's how I believe team unwinds.
The very first fun activity that our team did was a Tambola competition, which was very nice.
We did have a few chair yoga sessions initially, so they were good, and they were like small 15-minute sessions. One I remember was like just keeping our hands this way and then swiping it this and this way. So
we used to have so much fun. We used to have like the birthday parties in pantry. We will talk. We will have so many other discussions.
And we are missing that WPL, Walmart Premier League.
Popcorn is something that is something we just started and we couldn't really enjoy.